we're now looking at the Bay of Fundy, and it's a long way down, and it's snowy, so we're gonna try to find an easy route down, or a somewhat safe route. Surely there's an easier route than this. Here it goes. That wasn't so bad. Yeah, we're at a point now where I believe it's just easier to go down the bum. There's lots of snow. I don't see it being any dangerous. That worked. There certainly are spots within Nova Scotia that look like Scotland, hence the name New Scotland. As it means in Latin, definitely reminds me of Skye. These huge rock pinnacles. And I'm just coming up to a couple of here now, smaller ones on the opposite side of the great big one. So, figured I've come this far. So I gotta get up here and check this out.